Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to paint your toenails white. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to start by painting all your toenails white except for one, and then you're going to make that one a French tip. Follow me on Instagram. Now, time for the design. You will do 2 designs on each side and 1 design in the middle, and then you will add glitter. Don't forget to check out the cards at the top of the video and the videos on the end screen. Thanks! This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.